Morning guys, so what I'm going to do today is I've got a few spare hours, so I'm going to take the supercharger out and I'm going to put on the Kraftwerks upgrade kit. So as I said, I've been waiting for it for ages and I just want to get it on really, get it done. I mean, car's off the road at the moment because you'll see in one of my later videos that someone broke into it. Cheers guys, thanks for that. But I'll explain in a later video, so let's get the charger off. Right, so first we're going to take the front bumper off. It's only a few Allen bolts and then these push clips. Easy. And then we're going to take all of this out. All of that. Right, so you can see a little bit more now. Intake tubes off. So now what we've got to do is just remove this bolt, two down here, don't know if you can see that, one that side, and take this plate cover off, and it should all come out, hopefully. Right guys, so I've changed over this one and this one, but I've got a slight problem. I can't get in here and I can't find my 14mm spanner, so just try and figure that one out and keep posted. So I managed to find one, got it off, just change over this bit, Loctite them in and back on, job done. Right, so now I've put them all on there tight, all in line. So now what I've got to do, take all these pulleys off, charge pulley, and change them for the new ones, and change this one as well. It's about 6 bolts. Right, so I've just took the supercharger pulley off. So I'm just going to give you a size comparison. So this is the new one, some side by side, but as you can see it's quite significantly smaller. Right guys, so we've got it all back on, belt's all nice and tight. It's a lot, fills the engine bay slightly more, so looks a lot more hefty. So just got to put the intercooler pipes back on and the intake pipes, and we'll give it a start up. Right guys, so that's all in there now. So going to give it a start up, check nothing's leaking, and sorry, it's cold outside, and just check everything is all buttoned up, no air leaks, no fluid leaks. Right, so that's all on, that's all done. The belt was a little bit loose, so I just tightened that up because it was flapping around a little bit. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Sweet.